Hello, welcome to the session of how to become a Huawei Cloud. I'm Harrison Lee, a solution architect of Huawei Cloud Sub-Saharan Africa team. Today, I'm glad to share with you a topic on Huawei Cloud native database. When the database steps into the cloud native era, how Huawei Cloud meet the diverse requirements of enterprise. From Huawei Cloud understanding, compared with traditional databases, cloud-native databases can make full use of the comprehensive advantages of cloud platforms and have been ahead of traditional databases in terms of scalability, performance, availability, and security. Secondly, cloud-native database is characterized by service supporting out-of-the-box and on-demand of adoption, which reduce the difficulty of using database operation and maintenance, as well as investment cost for clouders. And SMEs can use the latest database technology in hand. In addition, with the advantage of cloud-native database can be quickly upgraded and iterated, update and fix in time to ensure the customer data security. Huawei Cloud's blueprint in cloud-native database technology has covered a full range of scenarios in the database. In the relational database service, we have GhostDB with Huawei Cloud proprietary database kernel, GhostDB for MySQL, alias for MySQL, alias for PostgreSQL. Marketplace, we offered RDS for Microsoft SQL, which are compatible with all the mainstream database engine. In the non-relational database service, Huawei Cloud provides key-value database supporting Redis protocol, document database supporting MongoDB protocol, wide table database supporting Cassandra protocol, and time series database supporting InfluxDB protocol. For the different requirements of different industries, the combination of the above databases can meet the requirements of various types of clouders. Therefore, Huawei Cloud Database have achieved full scenarios coverage, both technologies and in terms of business scenarios. So, being at Huawei Cloud, how to define what is cloud-native database? By our understanding, it should build the core capabilities around serverless, regionless, and modeless. Cloud-native database is not just a database plus cloud. Many practices require the database vendors to reconfigure the database kernel and architecture and build a database that is born in the cloud and grows in the cloud based on the cloud architecture, so as to achieve the ultimate elasticity of database services, full domain high availability of data, and minimal user experiences, allowing clouders to use the database as free and convenient as using elasticity and Volta. In summary, serverless makes database service extremely elastic. Regionless makes database available in all the regions. Modeless handles data load in spec and value areas by intelligent. Technology iteration is the key to enterprise digitalization, of which database technology is particularly critical. In the future, Huawei Cloud Database will continue to base on the real business demands of the majority of clouders, continuously make technical innovation and breakthroughs, so deep dive in the data service capabilities and help more enterprises to carry out intelligent upgrades. Okay, see you in next session.